This is a super cute Dumpling Squishy. Oh my gosh. I bought this because my kids begged for it. They saw it on social media. It is so fun. The size, it's like really great to just squeeze and to play with. I think they come in different colors, but this one is like really realistic looking actually. And then it comes with a little plastic steaming basket, about 3 to 3.5 inches in diameter, about 2 inches tall. Just so adorable to just like keep on your desk. It can be a paperweight, and then you just pull it out and just start squeezing and getting your stress away. Great for a fidget. Squishy, all that good stuff. It's not sticky. It's like a silicone feeling, honestly. I don't know what it's made of. Rubber, plastic, silicone, I'm not sure. But so far so good. We're getting a lot of use out of it. Nothing leaking or popping or anything. Really cute and fun.